A very good afternoon, class. Without wasting time, we are going to continue our chapter, that is nutrition in animals, and this is the third part, digestion in human being. So let's start without wasting time. So first of all, make sure that the digestive system is made up of two things. Digestive system is made up of two things. First one is the digestive glands and other is the alimentary canal. So digestive glands with alimentary canal forms the digestive system. इस पॉइंट को बेटा क्लियर कर लीजिए. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल and the digestive glands. So first we'll cover what elementary canal. So you can see the diagram of elementary canal. It is a 9-meter long single canal. What beta? This is the 9-meter long single canal. जो बेटा ये जो canal है, this is single tube. Sometimes it get thin, sometimes it get swallowed, sometimes it is highly coiled. Okay, so this single tube runs from where? Runs from mouth to anus. It runs from mouth to anus. This is mouth and this last point is anus. There are many other parts of alimentary canal like buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, which you can see in next slide. This is the label diagram of what? Human digestive system, or you can say alimentary canal. So first is mouth and last is anus. This food pipe is known as esophagus. This bag-like structure is stomach, and this is liver, then large intestine, small intestine, pancreas gland. Okay, so this is most important diagram of alimentary canal and easiest one also. Now, as I told you that digestive system is combination of alimentary canal and digestive glands. So these are some digestive glands which are in the human body in the digestive system and help in digestion. Okay, like salivary gland which provides saliva, pancreas it secretes pancreatic juice, liver secretes juice which is known as bile and store it in gallbladder. Gastric gland is present in stomach, produce mucus, and intestinal gland also produce some juice, digestive juice in small intestine. Okay, so here in this diagram, in the location of salivary gland, you can see liver. Okay, make sure that every organ of a digestive system should be at proper place in your diagrams. Okay, so about these digestive glands, salivary gland, it releases saliva. What? Salivary gland बेटा क्या करता है? It releases saliva in where? In mouth. This saliva contains amylase enzyme. What? Amylase enzyme. इस सलाइवा के अंदर amylase enzyme होता है which break down carbohydrate into sugar. What? It break downs carbohydrates into sugar. Okay, this amylase enzyme break down this complex food, that is carbohydrates, which is polysaccharide, into a simpler, that is sugar, into the simpler form. Sugar is the simplest form. Okay, Now, next is the pancreas gland. Pancreas gland. During digestion, pancreas makes pancreatic juice. It also contains enzymes. Pancreatic juice contains enzyme, and these enzymes again break down sugar, fat, and starch. Okay. Next is the liver. Liver is a reddish brown and largest gland. Make sure liver is the largest gland of the body, and you can see its color, that it is reddish brown in color. See, see, this is liver. This is liver. This is pancreas. This is liver. Okay, and pancreas is, you can see pancreas. Where is pancreas? Pancreas. Here is pancreas below stomach. So liver is the largest gland, and it makes a digestive juice called bile, as I told you, bile, and store it in gallbladder, which is present in liver, which help in digestion of what? Fats and some vitamins. Help in digestion of fats and some vitamins. Next is the gastric gland. It secretes mucus and coats the stomach and protect its self-digestion by helping to dilute acids. See, beta, uh, what happen in stomach wall of stomach releases hydrochloric acid because in acidic medium enzyme named as pepsin it works, which break down proteins. So there must be a juice which there must be a mucus which must protect the internal lining of stomach, otherwise HCl is the high concentrated acid. It will definitely burn what? Inner lining of stomach, but mucus protects it. Okay. So next is the intestinal gland. Intestinal gland secretes again a juice which neutralizes that HCl which was released in the stomach. uh, okay, it makes it salt. Okay, next slide is some parts of alimentary canal. As you can see, alimentary canal has many parts. Buccal cavity, what? Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. So we will study all these parts of alimentary canal one by one. Today we will cover up to stomach, buccal cavity, esophagus, and stomach. So first one is the mouth and the buccal cavity. But in mouth, mechanically breakdown of food take place when we chew. When with the help of our teeth, what happen? We mechanically break down. We mechanically breaking of solid food, and moreover digestion of carbohydrate is also take place because of saliva. As I told you, it contains enzyme name as amylase. Okay. So and salivary gland is present in buccal cavity which secretes saliva. So saliva breaks starch into sugar. Okay, you can see this diagram. This is buccal cavity. These are gums. In gums, teeth are there. Above is the soft palate. This is hard palate. Tonsils are there. Tongue is there, and lip is there. Okay, this is the buccal cavity, and this is also known as the oral cavity. Okay, buccal and oral cavity. Now what is tongue? Let's have some knowledge about tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. Means it is part of buccal cavity and it is attached with buccal cavity. What it does? It mixes saliva with food during chewing. When we chew, it mixes saliva with food, and it also help in swallowing that food. Okay, now this is the tongue map, which is most important, and you can see how taste buds in the tongue are arranged by God. So last part of tongue tells about that whether food is bitter. Side parts of tongue tell us whether food is sour. Central part tells us sweetness, and the topmost or front part is tells us whether food is salty or not. Okay, you can see this diagram again. Last part of tongue tells us bitter, side parts sourness, and central part sweetness, front part saltiness. Okay, now another part of buccal cavity are our teeth. Okay, so an adult has how many teeth? It's 32 teeth. Okay, 12 are molar, 8 are premolar, 4 canine, and 8 incisor. Let's start counting. See, 1, 2, 3. These 3 are molar. Again, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. Again 3 and 3 this side. So 3, 3, 3. These are the 12 molar. These molar teeth, they are used for chewing. ओके, च्यू करने में हेल्प करते हैं बेटा. नेक्स्ट आर 8 प्रीमोलर. प्रीमोलर 1, 2, अगेन 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 premolar. It helps molar. Again they help in chewing. chew करने में help करते हैं. 4 are canine. Canine, these are, where are canine? 2 canine this side and 2 canine this side, 2 canine this side and 2 here. So these canine, these teeth are used to tear and pierce. Piercing मतलब छेद करना. Piercing and tearing में ये help करते हैं. They help in tearing and piercing. Next is 8 incisors. What? 8 incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry beta, the canines are here. Canines are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are incisor. You can see again. Wait. See now. Molar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, premolar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Canine 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and incisor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so you can count them. Molar, premolar are used for chewing. Canine are used for piercing and tearing, and this incisor is for cutting of food, biting or cutting. I think it is clear now. So now another part of an alimentary canal, or you can say digestive system, is food pipe. First of all, food pipe is known as esophagus. O is silent here, so it's esophagus. So it runs from neck to the it runs along neck to the chest, from mouth to the stomach, to the first point of stomach. So movement of food pipe is called peristaltic movement. When food enters inside food pipe, it do a movement, up and down movement, contraction and relaxation are there, and that movement is known as peristaltic movement. You can see this movement in another slide. See it. This beta, this is food. this is food, and the movement, up and down movement, or you can say contraction and relaxation, this is known as peristaltic movement. This is a peristaltic movement. I hope it is clear to you what is peristaltic movement and how food moves in esophagus, because it is necessary that when we engulf from our food from our mouth, it must reach to where stomach, and this is a long canal. Esophagus is the part of that canal which runs along mouth to stomach थ्रू चेस्ट के होते हुए बेटा ये पाइप यहाँ से जाएगी. सो देर मस्ट बी सम मूवमेंट विच पुश द फूड टूवर्ड्स स्टमक. नेक्स्ट इज the stomach. So stomach is most important thing, and it is one of the it is what I have to say, that stomach is swellowest part of the alimentary canal. swallowing होता है, सबसे ज़्यादा swallow हुआ होता है, and ये क्या होता है, ये रिलैक्स होता है. जैसे फूड इसमें एंटर होएगा, इट स्टार्ट रिलैक्सिंग, इसका साइज बड़ा होता जाएगा, ये और ऐसा फील होगा कि ये सूज रहा है, स्वेलो हो रहा है. सो स्टमक इज़ द it has bag like structure, J type shape, you can say J is formed here, and it is the widest part of alimentary canal. It secrete mucus, as I told you. क्यों mucus ये करता है? Because HCl acid जो इसमें स्टमक में होगा, HCl acid जो स्टमक में होगा उसको, उससे इनर लाइनिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. And it also secretes some digestive juice which help in digestion. You can see it. First you can see the location of stomach, location of stomach. This is food pipe, this is mouth, and this bag like or J type structure, this is stomach. Okay, you can see its figure. So beta, thank you, and tomorrow we will complete small intestine, large intestine, and rest of our topics. Thank you very much.